Let's be honest, we've all seen them. Those basic taps of the shelf-light fixtures or mass-produced cabinet handles that scream build a grade. But what if I told you that with a few clever tweaks, you can make those uninspiring features look completely bespoke without the hefty designer price tag? What is build a grade anyway? Build a grade fixtures are typically the standard options chosen for speed and cost effectiveness in new build homes or large developments. They're serviceable, but often lack personality. The good news? You don't have to rip everything out. With some imagination and a little DIY, you can elevate them into features that feel custom and high-end. Switch out hardware, big impact, small cost. One of the simplest upgrades is changing hardware. Think aged brass, matte black, or brushed nickel pulls instead of the default chrome. Even better, opt for styles that reflect your personality. Whether it's vintage, modern, or industrial, handles alone can completely transform the look of your kitchen or bathroom. Paint and refinish give it a new life. If your cupboards or units are that plain laminate or standard white, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Use a good primer, and a hard-wearing finished satin or eggshell usually does the trick. You can even try a two-tone scheme for a more curated feel. Think deep navy below and crisp white above, very chic. Lighting is one of the most overlooked but most transformative elements. Swap out that generic ceiling fixture with a statement pendant or layered lighting. Wall sconces either side of a mirror or dimmable under cabinet strips in the kitchen can instantly add a more tailored look. Cover or frame it clever disguises. Build a grade often means plain, especially when it comes to mirrors or tiled areas. But you can frame a standard mirror using timber trims for a custom look. And for splashbacks or fireplaces, peel and stick tiles or mosaic overlays can bring texture and pattern without any major construction. Upgrade taps and shower heads. Swapping out your kitchen or bathroom tap for something more distinctive is surprisingly easy. Go for a sleek matte black, a classic bridge tap, or even something with a pull-down spout. It'll make the whole space feel thoughtfully designed. Add layers, textiles, decor, and finishes. Finally, styling makes all the difference. Add texture through soft furnishings, plush towels, patterned rugs, or a fabric-covered bench. Layer in a few personal touches like framed art, indoor plants, or ceramics to complete the look. Upgrading Build a Grade doesn't have to mean starting from scratch. With a few small swaps and smart styling, you can achieve a bespoke feel that reflects you without blowing the budget. Enjoyed these tips? Tap subscribe and leave a comment. What Build a Grade feature are you upgrading next? Thanks for watching and happy home improving.